Today's recipe I'd special mango egg and semolina dessert recipe. It's so delicious and easy to make. 4 ingredients needed only. Mango 2 cups. Transfer to the blender jar. Blend it. Done. Add 2 eggs. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Green cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Milk 1 cup. Mix well. Mango puree, 1/2 cup. Orange food color, 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Semolina 1/3 cup. Fry 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Add milk and mango mixture. Stir continuously. Pinch of salt. Cook until ghee separated. Done. Serving this halwa in a square dish. Lay it down evenly. Preparing second layer. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Semolina 1/3 cup. Fry them 2 to 3 minutes. Add liquid milk 1 cup. Stir continuously. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Stir and mix. Cook on low heat. Transfer to the dish. Spread it evenly. Third layer. Spread it evenly. Wait for the cool down completely. Time to slice it. Look very nice. Garnish with nuts and saffron. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Moments of truth.